now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it. But ever since that day, I was looking at him. Let's go. Back when I was not, Joey back and not. Practice that on every punch is fine. We attempt to crime. With 4 guns at a time. With the sliding door, fuck is up, fuck you shooting for. If you ain't walking up, you fucking pump. Picking up the fucking pump. Picking up you sucker, kick the tires, set the way the wall of bags coming from AKs, ARs, AR. That's what mama said when we was eating every lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in 94. Yeah. Bounce down with the shit, turn up. Go, down with the shit, turn up. Go, down with the shit, turn up. Go, down with the shit, go. Oh, what? Yeah. Ching, could buy anything, drop that. Oh, what? 3 degrees, ho, make it half of me, drop that. Oh, what? That shit, drop shit, smoke shit, what? Down with the shit, hey. Oh, down with the shit, drop shit, smoke shit, down with the shit. Yeah. Make some noise for the homie Dope Burger, y'all, one time. He gonna be at the merch booth. He gonna be at the merch booth getting on some cool shit. Make sure y'all holler at him. We got some real cool shit. You feel me? You know? But look, back to your regular scheduled program. I see I don't have y'all undivided attention. Everybody put your lighters up. Put your lighters up. Put your phones up. You feel what I'm saying? I need everybody undivided attention. You feel what I'm saying? Put your lighters up. Put your phones up. We finna turn this motherfucker into the whole universe right now. And we gonna illuminate this whole building, you feel me? Cause that's what we do. This is high power.